Tara finally stood before the path to the floating castle. Her greatest adventure was about to begin. The bridge floated high above the world below. Tara walked carefully beside the rabbit. With every step, the castle seemed bigger, brighter, and even more mysterious. Beautiful waterfalls floated between the islands, creating a magical view unlike anything Tara had seen. Soon, Tara reached the enormous castle gate, covered with glowing magical symbols. Soon, Tara reached the enormous castle gate, covered with glowing magical symbols. Before Tara could knock, the giant gate slowly opened all by itself. Yet something felt strange. The castle seemed empty and unusually quiet. The castle was beautiful, yet strangely quiet. Tara felt as if someone was watching her. For just a moment, Tara saw a dark figure moving at the end of the corridor. When Tara looked again, the mysterious figure had completely vanished. Ahead stood a giant crystal globe, floating above the floor and glowing with magic. Inside the globe, Tara could see every part of the magical kingdom. One part of the kingdom was covered in darkness, and its magic seemed to be fading.
Suddenly, a golden guardian stepped from the shadows and approached Tara.
The guardian smiled kindly and welcomed Tara to the floating castle.
The guardian smiled warmly. He said the castle had been waiting for Tara's arrival.
An ancient legend spoke of a brave girl who would help protect the magical kingdom.
The guardian showed Tara a magical map. One area remained dark and lifeless.
The darkness was slowly spreading beyond the mountains and threatening the kingdom.
To save the kingdom, Tara would need to discover the source of the growing darkness. From the castle balcony, Tara looked toward the mountains where her next adventure awaited. The mysterious shadow finally appeared again at the top of the castle tower. As darkness spread beyond the mountains, Tara's greatest challenge was about to begin.